Hi, I'm Greg Watson here at Landlords Link in Dublin Street, Whanganui. Landlords, did you know it's really easy to change companies? Extremely easy, but not only that, if you have a vacant property and if we can't find a tenant, we'll pay the rent for you. So it's very easy, very risk-free. Just get in touch with us from our Landlords Link page under Landlords tab and switch to us. But that's not why we're here today. We're here today to talk about the latest monthly property report from the Real Estate Institute of New Zealand. Now this relates to September, and it's interesting to note what's been happening in the market. As Jen Beard, the Real Estate Institute CEO, says that Auckland activity has stopped almost completely as due to the lockdowns, and the rest of the country has seen a spring lift, which, if in case you thought it couldn't get any busier around here, it has. There were 7 regions that had record median prices in September, and if you were interested, you could pause this video and have a read through, or you can contact me and I'll send you the report. That was Bay of Plenty, Hawke's Bay, Manawatu, Whanganui, Tasman, Nelson, Canterbury and Southland. So what's happening with the median house prices? I like to look at this both in Auckland and outside. So the median house price in Auckland now 1.15 million, up 20%, and outside of Auckland, for the rest of the country, 720, which is a 23% increase, which is actually the same median house price as Manawatu district. So here's the map, which shows some of the prices. Remember, the red R's are records, and these increases really are large indeed. Manawatu Whanganui leads the way, and within that, Whanganui is doing exceptionally well. I'll talk about that soon. Also, Hawke's Bay is doing well, as is Canterbury and Southland in particular. I like to look at the price distribution in terms of the price bands. These are the price bands on the left, and this is nationally. Now, a year ago, 26% of homes were sold under 500,000. Now, that has halved as prices increased to only 13%. It's about 1 in 8. In the million plus, it was pretty much 21% last year, and now it's 38 this year. So things definitely moving up across all of the prices. Here's the seasonally adjusted sales volumes. We compare it to September. These are the volumes on the fourth row here. A decrease across all regions of prices for sale when properties for sale compared to a year ago. What does that mean? It means that demand is still strong in most areas. And that's why the median price, when compared to a year ago, has increased quite largely in some areas. In Manawatu Whanganui, we have a lot of people moving into our region, and that's putting pressure on, because not only are there less homes to buy, but there's more people to sell to. So the Manawatu Whanganui region, these notes by Jen Beard, the CEO of the Real Estate Institute, reached a record high median house price of 626, up 35.4% year on year. Manawatu district, record median price at 720, and Tararua 500,000. Now that Manawatu district record median is 225,000 higher than a year ago, which means if you had a property in the Manawatu district, it's gone up by almost $20,000 a month for 12 months. It's really quite incredible indeed. Just a couple of comments down the bottom here. First home buyers are finding their options limited due to low levels of properties in their price range and a low level of stock generally. Investors remain cautious as tax legislation are introduced, and while the market remained active in September, it's expected to slow down over the next few months with loan-to-value ratios tightened and an increase in the OCR. So they're saying that the rate of growth is going to slow down. They're not saying the property market is going to drop. So let's look at some of the areas near you or near us. Whanganui district, up. The median price up from 400 to 555, which again is well over $10,000 a month in the value of property in our area. If you're closer or nearer to the Manawatu district, again that's that significant increase there as well. Expressed as percentages, then we can, these are the sales volumes which are down. And really this is showing how the prices have been going. So the rate of increase is significantly higher over the last 12 months than it has been. And you may recall that the market was pretty crazy for the 2 years before that. So really foot on the accelerator, and prices will continue to go up. I was talking to an accountant the other day who does a lot of research into these things, who feels that there might still be 5 years of growth in Manawatu, and I'd say there's certainly at least a couple of years in Manawatu Whanganui. So again, if you wanted to change over landlords to our fantastic rental property service, then very easy to do. Just fill out this form, we can do the rest, and we guarantee what we do. So thanks very much for watching. I hope this was of interest. If you'd like a copy of the monthly property report, just let me know.